What if you could generate endless cat content that actually makes money? We're showing you the exact AI prompting formula creators are using right now to build faceless channels that hit thousands of views with zero filming. Cat videos consistently rank in YouTube's top performing categories. AI tools let you generate unique, high-quality cat content in minutes instead of months. The magic? Combining trending audio, dynamic visuals, and strategic posting. Faceless channels remove production barriers, no cameras, no permits, pure creativity. This approach scales effortlessly. Use the structure, cinematic cat breed behavior, lighting style, environment, professional photography, trending aesthetic. Example, cinematic orange tabby cat, golden hour lighting, cozy bedroom window, mix mid-journey and runway for video depth. The specificity drives virality. Upload 3 to 4 videos weekly to trigger algorithmic favor. Use trending cat sounds, ASMR audio, and lo-fi music. Add mid-roll ads after 1 minute. Cross-promote on TikTok and Instagram Shorts for revenue diversification. YouTube Partner Program pays better with consistent watch time. Optimize titles with keywords. Relaxing, satisfying, cute. Start with Midjourney or Runway AI for cat generation. Create 10 variations. Edit with CapCut, add trending sounds. Upload to YouTube with optimized metadata. Monitor analytics. Double down on what performs. Patience compounds, viral potential grows exponentially after week 3 of consistent posting. Subscribe for more AI creative hacks. Like if you're building a faceless channel.